Hey, happy 4th of July. It is almost 8 o'clock. Our gym closes at 2 today. So I just went and I got back. So I got my gains on. So now it's time to eat. I was drinking on my protein coffee. I have about that much left. But I want to go ahead and eat. This is pineapple mango, tropical pineapple mango. Pause it if you want to see it. There you go. So I go, dude. And I'm not sure why I like my plastic spoons for this. I haven't figured out what the reasoning behind it is. I like it. Maybe because it's cold and the spoon isn't then super, I have no idea. Like, really, I don't know. Yeah. But anyway, I usually use plastic in the morning and then metal for lunch. Let's see if that's enough. Hang on. Yep. Got to make sure to get them corners. So this is the yogurt and cottage cheese. That's how it looks. And then I'll have my 3 chicken sausages. And being the animal that I am, I'm going to go plop in front of my TV. I haven't figured out if I'm going to keep playing Witcher 3 or if I'm going to play Assassin's Creed Valhalla. If any of you game, tell me which one's your favorite is. If you don't game, it's okay. I still love y'all. Anyway, this is how I eat my chicken whenever I'm in front of the TV. And then I don't dirty anything up because I don't want to clean extra. So, yeah. That's my breakfast today. I bet that's a big shocker for some of y'all, ain't it? I bet. I eat that same thing every day. Anyway, bye. And that's what we went with. Got to play some Witcher 3 today. All right. I'll see you all at lunchtime. Lunch today is going to be some of my 80-20 ground beef that I made up this weekend. A little bit of Greek seasoning and a little bit of slap your mama for some spice. And a little bit of adobo seasoning, Lowry's adobo. And then I'm going to do some... This is that rouse I made a while back. It was like part rouse, part water. If you want, you can go back and find that video. I did the same amount of, no. I think I did like, I'm going to say the equivalent of one cup to 1/4 cup whenever I just diluted it with water. Nothing fancy, but kind of lowered the calories. Then I'm going to put a little bit of this Frigo cheese on top. And that is going to be my lunch. Let me get it microwaved. And there you go. I'm going to put just a little bit of everything bagel seasoning on top. You know, if you had a family, you could, and you were so inclined with time at home. And this is some roasted garlic, dehydrated roasted garlic. If you were so inclined, you could do what I just did and put it in like a dish and bake it and make kind of like a spaghetti bake. You could add some vegetables to it and make it, more like a vegetable bake. You can do with all kinds of stuff. But for me, I don't care about textures and whatnot, but if you care about textures and your family does, get you a baking dish and then put that cheese on top, and that's how it looks close up. So this is what I'm going to have. Yep. It's good. Got good flavor, good texture. It's not something that's going to cause me to go off the deep end and add more and more and more like the salads were. So, like I said, I'm just kind of getting a little bit back more to basics and going from there. All right, bye. Supper tonight is the chicken bars that I made, except they really did not stay in bar shape. I've got some Dano seasoning. I'm trying to use up my seasonings. I haven't used hardly any of this. So I got some of that I'm going to put in here. And I've got these, it was a stir-fry vegetables. It was a serving of, I think, 4.5, and I made it into 3. I'm putting a little bit of the stir-fry sauce on it. And I'm going to microwave it a little bit, and I'll get back to you. I took a bite of the chicken. It needs a little more salt. I like Dano's, but it doesn't have a lot of salt in it. So that's onion salt. Okay, that's better. I need a second bite, but it need to take me a minute for me to swallow the chicken. And there's the veggies with that stir fry. This is the ones I showed you this, I don't know, 2 days ago when I was making it. I just opened up a bag of veggies and put it in these little containers. I think like I said, I made 3 out of a 4.5 serving. So I know it's not tons of calories in vegetables, but like I said, whenever I do the salad and the raw veggies, I get to add in a whole lot of stuff. So we'll see if I can kind of tame it down. So there it is. There's my veggies and my chicken. And that is what I'm having for supper. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow back to work.